Chicken Land, July 7th, Sunday. Got a fence up today and I'm walking around, tripping over myself. This particular area has been eaten down to nothing and they've been needing to get on grass for a time. This would be Kodak Easy Share camera, VGA setting, and I just turned these guys loose, opened up a gate, gave them opportunity to get out in grass, and it appears that we have happy chickens. Now there's only a 4-foot fence, but as long as there's plenty of food for them to eat, they should be contained as long as eyeballs are watching them. That's good news and bad news. Eyeballs by people watching them to ward off evil creatures that could be jumping over the fence from the other side. And the other side being where bobcats, cougars, and up there could be eagles, hawks, the evil, wicked, mean, and nasty creatures. And let's see what else was going on. Way over there, pile of lumber. What am I saying? Firewood. But that's a whole other story. Anyway, just a quick check-in with the world over here. Oh, here's something funny. Let me see if I can zoom into that. Forget how this camera works. Over by the old chicken house over there, we have turkeys. Yeah, that called them in. Okay, I can't say that I speak fluent turkey, but I can get the tom's attention by making a hen noise. And you can hear the endless guinea noise. Oh, where am I pointing? Can hardly see anything through the viewfinder. Happy chickens. I can't really say that they're fat and happy. This is the oldest batch of layers that are starting to molt. And from what I understand, they're going to be laying less and less and then stop laying for up to 2 months. Oh, still got the zoom way out in Nowhereville. Or way close. Bring it in, I don't know. Been out in the sun too long today. Happy birds. I've been giving them sprouted wheat. Oh, got the turkeys coming over now. There were several hens that have decided to make, hen turkeys that have decided to make nests at the edge of the wood lot. And that's good and bad. It's good for them hiding eggs, but it's bad for them easily being prey to anything that can get them. And presently there are 3 toms and only 1 hen. Where are we? The white bird on the left of the screen is the hen. And of course there's a tom. There's a tom. And right next to the white hen is a tom. Anyway, I was just going to make this a real quick video. I'm already up to 5 minutes. 58, 59. I'll call it 5. Happy Sunday. Bye-bye. Okay, how do I stop this thing? How about